Hi, I'm Andreas.
And I'm Caitlin, and we're from Calibrate Studio.
Today we're going to be demonstrating how to do the no money exercise, once again for the rotator cuffs. So it's similar to the one from before where it was a single arm external rotation, but now we're going to be doing both of them. So Caitlin's going to be my lovely model for today, and if you could please turn over to the side. We're going to be having the mini band around the knuckles, palms facing up or thumbs pointing outwards. She's going to try and keep her elbows tucked in to her sides, and she's going to lock out the entire lower body as well, so her tailbone's going to tuck under. She's going to lock up the core just so that there's no arch in the lower back while she's doing this as well. And then all she's going to do is she's going to pull the resistance band out to the side, trying to rotate her shoulders outwards and holding it there as much as possible. And then you can go back in now. Yep, holding it for about 5 seconds on the outside, and then bringing it back out again. She's going to keep her elbows touching the sides here, almost like she's trying to stop my finger from being loose. And I'll show you from the back as well, so if you could face this way. Yep. So elbows tucked nice and tight. She's just going to bring her hands apart. Shoulder is going to rotate backwards. It's going to pinch here, and she's going to feel these muscles firing up. Okay, and so keeping her elbows tucked into the side, she's going to bring her hands out, rotating the shoulders outwards as well. She's going to fire up these two muscles on the side here, small muscles, holding it and then slowly bringing it back in. And she's going to do just one more, keeping the elbows nice and tight in there. And there we go. And that is the no money exercise. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.